It's so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much. Look at his face.
Hey, shithead.
Balls.
What the fuck?
A fancy feast.
Baby, are you okay? You look like you've seen some things. Do you need a hug or maybe a little tuna?
No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
It does not smell that bad, bro. You're tripping.
She's happy. Look, she's happy. Look.
Oh, give me the sad eyes. You can't have second breakfast, okay?